ceremony of Institute Institute of Aesthetic Medicine. Before we proceed on this journey of spreading knowledge and awareness, let us take the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and wisdom. I will call upon Ms. Swapnali to offer the prayers. Today, Dr. Rajesh Ingle, he who has taken time out of his busy schedule for us. He has numerous degrees and experiences attached to his name. He is a PhD in brand valuation from Jamnalal Bajaj Institute. He is currently heading marketing and special initiatives for Puranic builders. Has worked with top corporates like Tata, Godrej. He is also visiting faculty with NMIMS, Symbiosis, UNIS Business School, Central America, University of Plymouth, UK, and University of Sunderland, UK. I would welcome Dr. Rajesh on the stage. Request Mr. Kishore, Head Admin, to present the bouquet to Dr. Rajesh. Next, let us have a... He is associated with Indian Institute of Architecture, part of Managing Committee of NCHI Mumbai and Vice President NCHI Thane. He has been instrumental in promoting a cleaner pollution-free city with his green construction projects. He has won the Best Practice Award and Best Project Award from Accommodation Times. I would request Ms. Mamta, Head Accounts and Finance, to present the bouquet to her. Pleasure inviting Ms. Shailaja Nathu on stage. She lectures in English and Marathi literature. Even at the age of 72, she is learning harmonium, doing murals, ceramic and wali painting. Over several decades, she has dabbled in various forms of arts like playing violin, hairstyling, flower arrangements and poetry writing. She will always be a candle of inspiration for us to start new things. I would request Swapnali to present the bouquet to ma'am. And now, with a big smile on the face and respect in heart, I am delighted to call upon the stage Dr. Manjari, CEO, InstaSculpt Group of Clinics, is a pioneer in field of cosmetic and obesity industry since last 20 years. She is certified and trained on use of various procedures from France, Poland, Italy, USA and Germany. Next, let me invite the people who are the pillars and walls of this institute, without whom the structure could not have been raised. Let us have on stage Ms. Pallavi, Head Marketing and Business Development, who has been working tremendously to make this institute known to the people. Let us have a few words from Pallavi.
Good evening, everybody. Khurane, Mrs. Shailja Nathu, and our beloved Dr. Manjari, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. It is a great honor to be present with you today with such intelligent and talented people. I believe the batch of cosmetology has given you good insights about the industry. I congratulate them on the behalf of the institute today. Let me share you my experience of how InstaScut Institute has taken its shape. During our practice, we have come across different type of patients who have low self-esteem, who have lesser confidence. For them, outer grooming was not only essential, but also inner grooming was equally important. It was essential to boost their confidence, to raise their esteem at a new high, to help them to get what they want in their personal and professional life. There were people coming from different walks of life, like there were youngsters, there were middle-aged men and women, there were businessmen, there were housewives, and there were politicians as well. As and when they were interacting with our team, they were very inquisitive about our treatments and how it happens. They were always inquisitive to gather knowledge. We started getting inquiries, in fact, from many other streams, like doctors who wanted to start their own aesthetic clinic, from students who wanted to change their field, and also from beauticians who are working in the parlors and wanted to grow at a next level. So we realized the importance of education, the increasing awareness and demand to start the new school which will impart best knowledge of different aesthetic medicine, and not just that, it also to the bright people and the best people. Since we all know Dr. Manjari has acquired extensive knowledge and of cosmetic studies from countries like France, Germany, Spain, Singapore, Poland, Italy. And today, it's a pleasure to announce that Dr. Manjari had recently visited Cambridge University, UK, where she attended summer school of obesity, where obesity consultants from 35 countries across the globe had come to attend and foster knowledge and exchange ideas. I think we must give a big round of applause to her. Dr. Manjari is passionate about continuously learning new things. She recognized the passion of knowledge in others, and hence InstaScut Institute of Aesthetic Medicine was born. But she insisted to us to educate in a much scientific way, to share the best knowledge to her students. Since InstaScut already consisted of trained doctors, the world-class technologies, it became much easier for us and also motivation to take the motto of InstaScut at the next level. I once again take this opportunity to congratulate the students who have completed their course. I am sure they will benefit greatly by putting the knowledge gained by them in practical use for their future. I extend my wishes to you and for your bright future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pallvi. Next, let us have on stage Dr. Sneha Khare, who I can say is the principal of this institute. She is also the medical head of InstaScut Clinics. Her journey of learning and teaching is never ending. Dr. Sneha.
Thank you, Kunjal. Good evening, one and all. On the gracious occasion of convocation ceremony of our students, the batch of cosmetology and aesthetic medicine, I welcome you all. Today, as a clinical head and mentor of our students, I would like to share with you the entire experience from where we had started and how we have reached to this platform. Firstly, from the bottom of my heart, I congratulate to all of you for your successful completion of their course. Here, I remember something. You are educated, your certification is your degree. You may think of it as the ticket to good life. Let me ask you, think of an alternative. Think of it as a ticket to change the world. This was one of the reasons why we executed the concept of our InstaSculpt Institute of Aesthetic Medicine. As a part of InstaSculpt, every day is a learning curve for me, and each day empowers me with good knowledge. It took 2 long years to Dr. Manjari ma'am to bring this institute to life. We had endless discussions on the same, right from registration, enrollment of students, lectures and training. We designed the course based on the need of the people, but in a motto to educate people. I did come across many people in my own centers who had the urge to learn about obesity, cosmetology, skin treatments, lasers and hair treatment. So it really boosted us more to start up with our own training institute. We designed the courses into 4 major categories as obesity and nutrition management, cosmetology and aesthetic medicine, trichology and laser treatments. These courses are further divided into basic and advanced. The basic includes the theory and the practical, while the advanced includes theory, practical, hands-on training and clinical case discussions. I remember 3 months back when I had my first lecture on cosmetology, I could see the inquisitiveness, the initiativeness of the students to learn more and more. As we progressed from first lecture to second and second lecture to third, there would be a lot of interaction amongst all of us, and each session motivated me more to deliver the knowledge on a greater scale. As it's rightly said, your schooling may be over, but remember, your learning still continues. The entire course was not only a learning pace for my students, but it did teach me a lot. Doctor is a noble profession, so is teaching, and when both combine, the outcome is excellent. I really had amazing interacting students like Mrs. Trupti, who is a housewife, Mrs. Neeta Patil, who is a beautician, Mr. Dilip Zo, who is an acupressurist, and Dr. Jyotsna, who is an Ayurvedic practitioner. Here, we had no bar of a doctor